While I don't yet have grandkids to haul around on the back of my bikes, I sometimes ride to my favorite fishing spots or the grocery store, and I need to pack some gear along. Cargo e-bikes are popular as car replacements for city dwellers, and Fiido recently released its latest model at a fairly affordable price. The Fiido T1 Pro was the last cargo e-bike, and the new Fiido T2 Longtail improves on it with 4-piston hydraulic brakes, longer form factor, thus the Longtail name as you can see here, and 5 levels of pedal assist. It's available in this lovely emerald green color and also available in gray. It is a very heavy bike. At 87 pounds of total weight, so it's not that easy to haul around, and this Longtail makes it a very long bike, so maneuvering around in tight spots can be rather difficult. It does have a capacity of 440 pounds, so you can haul yourself and plenty of other things, including people. 750 watt motor and 60 Newton meters of torque with a cadence sensor. Now that 60 Newton meters of torque was very helpful for me when I was riding this up a steep hill. We're talking 15% plus on height and the slope of that hill, so it was quite an effort, and the bike got me up there no problem at all. Now Fiido advertises about 30 miles of throttle at 20 miles per hour, up to 69 miles with pedal assist and eco mode. Your mileage will absolutely vary depending on the weight of the rider, how much cargo you have on board, and the terrain that you're on. What I'm seeing generally when I charge it fully up and ride it around is I'm getting 25 miles on throttle only, and then I had to say close to about 50 miles with some pedal assist in there. It does have 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes with 230 millimeter rotors, and it stops on a dime. As you can see here, it does have 20-inch by 4-inch tires, 5 levels of pedal assist, a right thumb throttle, and 7-speed Shimano shifter. It does have a very comfortable Velo saddle, and as you can see here, a pull of a button, and you can raise that seat up and then pull the battery out for easy battery replacement. A couple things I do like about this Fiido: it does have that massive large front headlight and a rear tail light. It does have a color LCD display on the left side with IP54 rated. And then it has Fiido smartphone application that you should install and manage your bike and settings and all of that kind of thing. Also, Fiido includes all the tools you need inside the box. There are many things to love about this bike, including the faux leather ergonomic handles and the way that the handlebars have this U shape, making a very comfortable ride. And you can also adjust these handlebars fairly easily and rotate them to your perfect preference. And also, you can see in the pictures that it has a wood platform by default. Now this looks nice and gives it a good feel, especially with this lovely paint job and everything, but it's not very practical because you're going to want to remove that if you add a rack or some other accessory on the back of that. Another thing that I really like about the Fiido compared to some other devices, other bikes, is it has this lovely kickstand, and it's a kickstand that has both sides, and it mounts up the bike and the tire can stand free like that. It does have the big chain with the chain puller through there. There's a couple things I don't really like about the bike. Is that typical Fiido thing where you have to scroll through all the different throttle or pedal assist modes with one button. You can't just go up or down, you have to go through all of them. And it is very heavy, as I mentioned, at 87 pounds. The price of this bike is $14.99. Regular price is $17.99. While there's so many things I like about this bike, there are a couple things that annoy me at times. With the Fiido controller, you can't go up and down, you have to scroll through all of the pedal assist modes. It is a heavy and long bike at 87 pounds. The pedals don't fold up, nothing else folds up to make it smaller. So it's a very long, big, heavy bike, so just be aware of that. And the range may not be as long as advertised, but again, like every bike, that depends on the weight of the rider, your terrain, and everything else. One other thing that I haven't really fully appreciated yet is when you turn the wheel, the headlight remains in place forward. And I'm not quite sure, I haven't done a lot of night riding, so I can't comment if that is a killer deal or not, but I think I would like the headlight to travel with my steering rather than being straight ahead all the time. So the Fiido T2 Longtail is available now for $14.99, regular $17.99, and it does include a free $199 value that includes this front platform, the partitions that are placed back here to give you protection from people getting their hands and feet and stuff inside the wheel. And then it also comes with foot pads on the back, but those have not arrived, so I've never tested those at all. There's also quite a few accessories for this, including an actual front basket, a rear rack bag, a child safety fence with a seat cushion so you can actually carry a passenger or two on the back. And there's even a $99 mate watch that you can combine with the bike, and it will track your heart rate and things like that. The Fiido T2 Longtail bike is a great bike. It has this front shocks that are adjustable, those big rotors on the brakes. I love the single wheel design that you don't have to worry about spokes, so it's very low maintenance in that regard. And Fiido continues to release these high quality e-bikes at very affordable prices. The Longtail cargo bike competes well with the electric Expedition at a very similar price point, but I like that Fiido provides that one wheel design. It has a stronger, more robust center kickstand. It has more powerful headlight, and the brake light is actually, the rear light is actually a brake light, which is great to see, and that large capacity 20 ampere battery, along with a color display. I haven't experienced any issues with Fiido bikes, so I can't really comment on the customer service, but it is a question that I get from others interested in these bikes since it's not a US-based company. Reading through their warranty page, it looks like it has a great warranty, a year on most things, and it sounds like they send out replacement parts that you yourself can install or a bike shop. But so far, in all my experiences of riding these bikes, I haven't experienced any problems, and the build is very good. I enjoyed my time with the Fiido T2 Longtail cargo e-bike, and if you are looking for a heavy hauler built for cargo, then this is definitely one to consider. That $14.99 price is very affordable for as much bike as you're buying. I appreciate everybody watching this video. Please subscribe, like this post, and comment. I'm interested in hearing your questions. If there's more that I can answer for you, please let me know, and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thank you everybody for watching, and may the mobile force be with you.